Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Memberful payouts to a bank account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Memberful payouts to your bank account, first, log into your Memberful account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Find the Payouts section on the left-hand menu and click on it. You will see a summary of your available payouts. Check for any payouts that are ready for withdrawal. If your payouts show as pending, they need to be processed first before you can withdraw. To initiate a withdrawal, look for the Withdraw button next to your available payouts. Click on the Withdraw button to proceed. You will then be prompted to select your withdrawal method. Choose Bank Transfer from the available options. Next, enter your bank account details as requested. Ensure that your information is accurate to avoid any delays. After entering your details, review the information for correctness. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. Note that it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your payout status. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Memberful support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.